हरिः ओं नमः सर्वेभ्यः। अद्य भाषाप्रवेश प्रथमभागस्य नवपञ्चाशत्तमे कक्षार्थं भवतां सर्वेषां स्वागतं। तथैव अग्रे एतेषां रूपाणां प्रयोजनं किम् अस्ति इति वयं पश्यामः। सो वाट् इस् द यूस् आफ् दीस् तृतीयाविभक्ति? सो यथा पूर्वं तत्र पञ्चमविभक्तेः अनेकान् प्रयोगान् वयं दृष्टवन्तः। द्वितीयाविभक्तेः अपि तथा, अनन्तरं चतुर्थीविभक्तेः अपि तथा वयं दृष्टवन्तः। तथैव अत्रापि तृतीयाविभक्तेः अपि अनेके प्रयोगाः सन्ति। एकवारं क्रमशः गच्छामः। सो कुत्र तृतीया? अत्र प्रथमः प्रयोगः वर्तते साधनम् इति। यत्र साधनस्य उद्देशः भवति, अत्र साधनस्य द्योतनं भवति, तत्र तृतीयाविभक्तिः भवति इति ज्ञेयं। सो साधनम् इत्युक्ते instrument or any means, right? So it can be any instrument or tool. If you want to represent that in Sanskrit, you have to use tritiyavibhakti. So when we say tool, the tool or the instrument which we use to do that particular action or the kriya. So udaharanam pashyamah. So balakah likhati, if you take, boy writes, अत्र का क्रिया वर्तते? लेखनक्रिया वर्तते। अत्र लेखनक्रियायाः साधनं किं भवितुम् अर्हति? हस्तः अपि लेखनक्रियायाः साधनं भवेत्, तथैव लेखनी अपि लेखनक्रियायाः साधनं भवेत्। So for here boy writes actually this is a status. Balakah likhati, boy writes, this is a sentence. So for here the kriya is, writing is the kriya. For that kriya, what is the tool can be used? Okay, that tool can be presented in tritiya. So here for writing, hand is one of the tools to write, and similarly pen is again another tool to write. So anything which you use to perform that particular action, they all becomes tools. So they all become tools, and for tools we will be using tritiya vibhakti. So example, lekhani is there. So balakah likhati, he writes with pen, so he writes with the lekhani. So lekhani's tritiya vibhakti roopam will be lekhanya. So balakah lekhanya likhati. And similarly hasta is, the hand is also a tool for writing. So balakah likhati hastah. So hasta become, the tritiya form of hasta is hastena. So it becomes balakah hastena likhati. So he writes with hand. So it may be any tool, whether when you are cooking, maybe your hand is again a tool. It may be a darvi or a ladle is a tool, and even the patram is a tool for cooking. So even agni is also a tool for cooking. So it can be any instrument or tool for performing any action. That instrument or tool is presented in tritiya. So while going, maybe your legs are the tools, and even you actually use some vehicle to go. That's again, a vehicle is a tool. So basically you just think about that way. So when you are drawing, and when you are walking, when you are getting up, when you are sitting down, for any kriya, for performing that kriya, whichever tool or instrument helps in that particular kriya, that is represented in tritiya. It's that simple. So let us see some examples. So balakah shalam gacchati. So he goes to the school. And vahanam, he actually uses vahanam as a tool, or some vehicle. Actually he uses vehicle as some kind of a tool for going. So here vahanam gets the tritiya. So balakah vahanena shalam gacchati. Vahanena is the tritiya form of vahanam. And in case if you want to say, if he goes by two vehicles, maybe he takes two vehicles, then you can say balakah vahanabhyam shalam gacchati. And if you want to say he goes with multiple vehicles, you can also say balakah vahanaihi shalam gacchati. Absolutely correct. And instead of vahana, you can also take, suppose if he goes by walk with his own legs, you can say like balakah padabhyam shalam gacchati. He goes with his own foot. Okay, that way whatever instrument you use, that kriya needs, that instrument can be in tritiya. Next one, Krishnaha nirdeshati. So Krishna orders or maybe just gives some direction. Okay, Krishna and Anguli is basically is using some his finger to direct something. So in that case, Anguli becomes the instrument here. So Krishna Angulya nirdishati. So Anguli strilinga rupam. Then the tritiya will be Angulya. So Angulya, Angulibhyam, Angulibhihi. So Angulya tritiya bhakti. So Krishna Angulya nirdishati. Agre Duryodhana Gadaya Shatrun Praharat. So Duryodhana Shatrun Praharat, he hit the enemies, and for hitting he is using the tool called Gada. So the Gada gets the Tritiya. So Duryodhana Gadaya Shatrun Praharat. Agre Vayam Padabhyam Sancharamaha. So Vayam Sancharamaha, we roam, and Padabhyam Sancharamaha, we roam with our feet. And next one is Vayam Shrunumaha, Vayam Karnabhyam Shrunumaha. So we hear through our ears. And Tatheva Vayam Pashyamaha, Vayam Netrabhyam Pashyamaha, we see through eyes. And next one is Bharatam Shobhate, the Bharat actually shines. Bharatam Dharmena Shobhate, it actually it is glorified with dharma. Okay, so these are the few examples where sadhanam is represented in Tritiya Vibhakti. So this is one of the prayogas of Tritiya. So maybe shall we take a short Q&A? If there are any questions here, we can take them. At the same time, if possible, can you frame a few sentences using this particular Tritiya?
Ramaha Banena Ravanam Ahanam. Rama is killing Ravana by the arrow, no? Banam.
Samyak.
And another one is Pita Durvasha Yantrena. Durvasha Yantrena means phone, cell phone or something. Pita Durvasha Yantrena Vartalabam Karoti. With the help of that phone, father is speaking.
Pita Durabhasha Yantrena Vartalapam Karoti.
Vartalabam Karoti.
Narasimha Nakhaihi Hiranyakashipum Marittavan.
Samyak.
And another one is Narasimha killed Hiranyakashipu using his nails.
Samyak.
And the other one is Sauchikaha Suchya Tantwa cha Sivyati. So the tailor stitches with the needle and thread. Sir, actually so if we say we see time with the watch, so should we use Tritiya or should we use Panchami? Ghati is the watch. So
okay, for seeing the time, what is the tool? Is it a tool or is it apadana?
I didn't get you, sir.
No, for Panchami should be apadhanam, right? So it's a separation. So is it a separation or
it is not. It is not. Okay. So Tritiya will be correct. Aham Ghatiya Samayam Vadami. So I tell the time with the watch.
No, here is the critical thing is there. So for what the kriya here in your sentence?
I tell the time.
Okay, for telling, if that is the tool for telling?
No. Okay, I tell with my mouth. Okay, so we cannot use Ghati in the Tritiya Vibhakti.
Yeah.
So then how do we say that
sentence? No, it will be, in that case, it will be Shashti. So Ghatyah Samyam
Ghatehe
Vadami. Not Ghatehe, it's a Dirgha Ikara.
sorry, Ghati.
Ghatyah.
Ghatyaha.
Ghatyah Samyam Vadami. But if it is janami, then it will be a tritiya. Aham gatya samayam janami.
Oh.
For knowing gati is the tool, but for telling gati is not a tool.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
So it's interesting. Yes, thank you.
Yes. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Dhanyavada.
There is one doubt, sir.
Yes.
Akam netrabhyam pashyami. See, actually, every human being has got two eyes. Suppose if I say vayam, same netrabhyam or netraihi, which one comes?
Both are actually correct as per Shastra. Both are correct. You can use either ways.
Okay. And now I will tell the sentence. Balakah vichikrikaya vidyalayam gacchati. Boy goes to the school by cycle, the two-wheeler or something. Aham ankanya chitram rachayami. I am doing the paint. Chitram means what will you say? Painting, something. With the help of my hand, by my hand.
But you said ankanya. Ankani is a pencil.
Yeah, pencil.
Okay, pencil you are writing. Yeah.
With pencil I am. Shall I tell one more?
Yeah, yes.
Chatraha kalamena likati. The student is writing with pen.
No, lekhani is the right word actually. Lekhanya likhati is the right one. Oh. Kalam is the Hindi word.
Kalam is Hindi word. Okay.
Yes.
नमो नमः मम सहोदरः सङ्गणकेन कार्यं करोति. My brother with a laptop is doing.
Yes, सम्यक्.
One more.
Yes.
अहं दूरवाण्या सम्भाषणं करोमि. शुद्धं महोदय?
Yes, शुद्धं. कः अर्थः?
With my phone I'm talking. With the phone I'm talking.
सम्यक्.
अहं मेखलया देवे अलङ्करोमि. I do alankaram to the Devi using mekhala, that is hip string. And then
Can you repeat the sentence again?
Aham mekhalaya devyai alankarayami.
Okay, what is the vibhakti expected for Devi here?
Devi alankaromi.
Divya apeksha.
Yeah, Devi alankaromi. Sorry. And pushpaihi pujayami cha.
सम्यक्.
सर्वे कर्णाभ्यां शृण्वन्ति. All will hear from their ears.
सम्यक्.
सर्वे मत्या ज्ञानं प्राप्नुवन्ति. Can I say that? They use their intelligence to get. They use their intelligence to get knowledge.
Yeah, सम्यक्.
Vayam sopanaihi upari gacchamaha. So we will go up using the stairs. Actually, I have two sentences in English, but I don't know how to frame. We chew with our teeth. So vayam dantaihi. I'm not getting the word.
Dantaihi charvanam kurmah.
Charvanam. Okay. And for combing the hair, kankatena. I don't know how to say.
Kankatena kesha prasadanam karomi.
Kesha prasadanam. Okay. Dhanyavada.
Thank you.
Suryata marichibihi lokam adapati. The sun is giving the shine or brightness through his rays, by his rays.
Yes,
is it right? Sarve annena jivanti. Everybody is living for food.
It's not living for food.
Living by food.
Living by food.
Living by food is okay.
It's completely two different meanings actually. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so I think we are good here. Yeah, that's all for today. Thank you all for watching this video online. If there are any questions, or if you want to interact with teachers or students, please log into forum.Sanskrit.Today, or you can even join our Telegram group. You can find the link in the course page, and subscribe to this channel Sanskrit.Today to watch more videos like this, and share this video with your friends and interested people or group. And if there are any suggestions or feedback about this session or the series, please post them in the comment section below. And finally, click on the like button of this video if you like this. Thank you for watching this video online. Let us meet in the next session. Dhanyawadaha.